Good morning, all of our Lakeland friends. So I'm out here with all the keys here. I'm unlocking all the park models for the day. It's a beautiful Friday morning. But I'm about to unlock this one, and it's stirring up some hype around here. So I want to share it with you guys. Let's go take a look. So it is a Canterbury. Let's first off find the key. I really was not prepared apparently. Okay, ready guys? Sorry, gonna hold the phone for a second with my chin. Got a lot of keys here in my hand. All right, here we go. Here we go. Look how cool this is. Black cabinets, black trim. This is new for Canterbury, and it turned out gorgeous. Got that black ceiling, little accent area. Oh, I love it. Pretty crown molding up there on the top of the entertainment center. Let's go here. That's a sound bar right there. That's what's plugged in. They were testing it. I like the glass on the doors. That's pretty. Goes really well in here. An all-task sink. If you don't know what an all-task sink is, TikTok it. It's a TikTok thing. Okay, look at, I like that too. So there's an angle to the stove. So it gives you a lot of room in here. We got stainless steel appliances. Go down here. One thing that's a hit is pantry has pull-out drawers. That's pretty sharp. That's awesome. And there's plenty of room too, because I can step back, because behind me is the bathroom. And we'll look over here. Shower, and there is a dome in there to give you that extra shower height. And we got washer and dryer prep. We have storage on this side also. Then we'll check out the bedroom. Cabinets, drawers. Beautiful bed and headboard here. I love those lights on the bed too. Hi guys. Let's go this way. Look at all that natural light. Oh my word. Just had to stop and enjoy it for a moment. Go up here and you got the cute little window there. All right, so loft. You got one on both sides. So you got a little privacy over here. And storage. And matching storage here and there. You can hang up the coats that you don't use very often in there. Look at that. She pretty. All right, come check it out. Lakeland RV Center, Milton, Wisconsin. We're the Park Model Pros. Have a good day.